Apple is set to unveil its next generation of iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max cases, now dubbed Liquid Silicone, with images from leaker Majin Bu revealing rumored color schemes. This marks the first major design shift since the iPhone 16 launch, as Apple expands its lineup to include 8 matte finishes and soft touch textures, including deep orange, pale orange, grass green, celadon, fog purple, grey blue, dark blue, and midnight black. These cases feature multiple cutouts for lanyards, which could be sold separately, adding versatility to the product line. Bu's claims suggest Apple initially tested shades like black, crag grey, carambola, tannin, and lake green, though these appear to have been discarded. Some speculate these hues might become seasonal variants later, offering a glimpse into Apple's potential future color palette. Bu's history with Apple rumors is mixed. Recently accurate about iPad OS 26's Mac-like menu bar, but previously inaccurate about the iPhone 17 cases. This inconsistency raises questions about the reliability of such leaks. The liquid silicone cases are positioned as a broader appeal than TechWoven, a fabric-like alternative Apple discontinued earlier this year. Bu emphasizes affordability and a diverse color range, positioning them as a competitive option for budget-conscious users. However, the name Liquid Silicone has sparked debate, as it mirrors iOS 26's liquid glass design. But experts question whether this naming convention aligns with the actual material. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 series is expected to include other innovations, such as an aluminum frame and enhanced performance features. Other rumors spotlight the iPhone 17 Pro's potential orange color, confirmed by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, alongside the Apple Watch Ultra 3, set to debut soon. Analysts highlight the Ultra 3's potential upgrades, including a larger display and S11 chip, though its release is still weeks away. Meanwhile, the Mac Rumors Show explores whether Apple Watch Series 11 or Ultra 3 will arrive sooner rather than later, as the SE3 is rumored to feature a bigger screen. As Apple unveils its new devices, fans will scrutinize the balance between innovation and practicality, with questions lingering about the true impact of these releases.